Welcome back to another class of How to Become System Administrator. I'm Deepak Sood, your online instructor. In previous class of this playlist, we discussed about proxy server. I hope you guys are okay with the topics that we completed so far related to the Windows 11. And now today I am going to guide you about the basic understanding related to the NAT server. NAT server is a server that converts public IP address to private IP address and private IP address to public IP address. It is used in production to provide internet to all the users available. If you really want to handle the infrastructure, if you want to fulfill the client's requirements, you must need to know about the procedure and different types. Let me move ourselves to the screen, but before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, if you are watching my video first time, do subscribe because Tech Guru Deepak Sood is a single technical training based YouTube channel that give you 100% live practical based video without skip any step. So I hope you guys are able to see my screen. Lab setup for NAT server. Open Google Chrome web browser and access NetLab for setup lab environment for NAT server. Enter IP address of NetLab. In my case, IP address 192.168.1.2. Enter username as admin and password is NAT. Create new lab with any name. In my case, lab name is NAT. Requirement for NAT server configuration. One server with network operating system. In my case, we use Server 2019 with 2 LAN cards. Connect first LAN card of NAT server to the internet. Start NAT server and verify internet is working. Assign IP address to the first LAN card of NAT server. In my case, IP address is 192.168.1.3. Assign IP address to the second LAN card of NAT server. In my case, IP address is 10.10.10.10. Verify internet is working in NAT server. Connect second LAN card of NAT server to the LAN switch. And connect to client machines with the LAN switch. Install remote access service in NAT server. Select routing and direct access and VPN. Configure NAT server in NAT server using routing and remote access service from the Tools menu. Access client 1 machine. Assign IP address to the client first machine. In my case, IP address is 10.0.0.1. Default gateway and DNS address is 10.10.10.10. IP address of second LAN card of NAT server. Turn off Windows firewall of NAT server. Access client 1 machine and verify internet is working. Assign IP address to the client to machine. In my case, IP address is 10.0.0.2. Default gateway and DNS address is 10.10.10.10. IP address of second LAN card of NAT server. Verify internet is working on client to machine. I hope you guys are okay with the topic that we completed today. Do subscribe to your own Tech Guru Deepak Sood YouTube channel.